A year into this pandemic, 1 year. But life is slowly getting back to normal for staff and residents at long-term care facilities.
41 Action News reporter Emma James introduces us to administrators who led their facilities through a very difficult year.
It's been a year, almost to the day, that life changed for residents and staff here at Liberty Health and Wellness. I sat down with administrators to talk about the last year, the challenges they've faced, and the lessons they've learned. Ryan Phillips remembers when COVID-19 hit his building hard.
My entire building, but 2 residents got COVID in a week.
The year would bring a multitude of challenges.
Not only trying to assure family members that their loved ones are safe, but in addition to your staff, trying to assure them that you're doing everything you can to protect them.
Administrator Roderick Warren says residents had to stay in their rooms for their protection. Many haven't seen family in a year.
A lot of the patients here have a lot of family involvement. And so to, put that on hold for a year has been quite the challenge.
But things are starting to take a turn. 75% of residents are now fully vaccinated, and recent guidance allows the facility to slowly phase in family visits.
Now that they're getting the physical face time with their families, they feel hopeful. And that is very refreshing because it doesn't feel like we've had a lot of hope in the last year.
Phillips says he now has a deeper empathy for family members forced to be separated from loved ones. Moving forward, he hopes to change the stigma surrounding long-term care.
We have an obligation to care for the generation that came before us.
In Liberty, Emma James, 41 Action News.